adorable is this. Hello and welcome, I'll be okay. Welcome to this extra special video which is going to be focusing mainly on the Budgies in the Birdroom and the Aviary. I'll give you a little bits of snippets and news of what's going on in the mixed Aviary. This is definitely the most exciting time of the year for me and my wife, I think. It's height of the breeding season. We've got eggs, we've got chicks, little babies in the aviaries, in the Birdroom. But before we get started, before we get stuck into the juicy bits, what is going on with the weather at the moment in the southeast of England. It's been so hot the past week. Just had to take the opportunity to go for a stroll today. There's a collection of some video I took from today, right before we get stuck in to the Birdroom and the babies in there. Surprise! Hello, welcome to Budgie and Aviary Birds. Are we okay? Welcome to this Birdroom update. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. You two are the oldest, aren't you? Yeah. You're fresh out of the nest. Very friendly little babies. Say hello to everybody. Don't fly away. Don't fly away. It's warm in here, isn't it? It's very warm in the Birdroom today. It's been up to 35 degrees, hasn't it? Yeah. Even I'm sweating. That's it, you give him a prune. That's it, make sure it's nice and clean. Uh-oh, he's off again. So I hope everyone's had a brilliant weekend. It's been very warm in the southeast of England. It's been up to like 25 degrees in the past few days or whatever. Still very warm. And I've got some good news. I've got not only lots of chicks, which we're going to have a look at in a little while in the Birdroom, but we've got our first babies of the recent round of eggs and chicks out of the nest. This is the youngest one of two. Dad's been doing a brilliant job. Mum, I think I mentioned before, got a little bit aggressive, so she had to come out, and Dad's managed to raise them from 3 weeks old upwards, and they're out of the nest now. This one's a tiny bit young, but he's okay. He's been eating seed already. And the oldest one you can see, well, you can't see, but he's getting about already. Now, while I've got the young ones, well, at least the oldest one out, I can show you some tricks on how to keep them friendly and hand tame. And the trick is, to start off with, always take them on your finger wherever they want to go. If they want to go high, take them high. If they want to go near a breeze, obviously make sure there's something covering the window up, otherwise they're going to escape. Take them to the breeze. As you can see, this one is quite friendly, but he's 50-50 at the moment. He's at that point where if you don't spend time with him, he will just not want to step up. But the trick is, don't be afraid to pick them up. Don't be afraid you're going to scare them or anything like that. You have to handle them at first. You have to get them used to you. So if you have to catch them and stick them on your hand, do it. No problem. I am kind of lucky that sometimes Mango does come out and help. But as you can see, I haven't spent time really with the babies. I check on them, but I don't really have them out on my finger or whatever, and I don't think I've had this little one on my finger in a while. But let's get the zoom on it. As you can see, once you've got him calm, that's it. Once he gets used to you, it should be relatively easy to get him to stay on you. To get him to stay on your finger. You see, at the moment, this is the trick, he wants to go away. So the trick is, he probably won't step up because, like I say, I haven't taught him to yet. But the trick is to take him where he wants to be. So he wants to go over there. So we'll keep him over there. Hello, boy. You want to step up? Oh, it is. Okay, I'll just keep you there for a little bit, mister. Yeah? You like it there? Okay, so we let him stay over there for a bit, and then he was panting a little bit, so we took him over for some fresh air, and he's nice and happy again. Aren't you? You're a lovely little baby. So next up, I'm going to try and get some of the other babies out that are growing up fast. Let's have a look at this one if I can get the camera. But she's almost got clear wings. She's a lovely female, and she's paired with a grey, traditional grey male. And they do have some nice healthy babies, and this one, he's lovely. He's got blue. Let's have a look on the camera. Yeah, blue on his chest, belly, and a little bit on his black between his wings. You're going to say hello to everyone. Face that way. You don't want to, do you? No, you want to run back into the nest. Come on, face that way. What's wrong about that way? That's it. There we go. Say hello to everybody. You might be a keeper because you've got some nice light blue on your chest. So that's one of the babies. There's 4 in the nest. Let's have a look, see if I can get another one out. Now this one is very similar to Mum. Oh, new baby's having a fly. Yeah, very similar to Mum. Very similar colourings. Except the baby's got a dark head at the moment. Don't know whether that'll change. You're lovely, aren't you? Yeah. So that's the second oldest one. And I'm going to put them back now because Mum's getting a bit angry. We got him again. You're too easy. You're making this way too easy. You're easier than Mango, and I've been friendly for ages. Yeah. Is he again spooked by Mango? What's he doing in that cage, eh? Is he being naughty? You're the star of the show at the moment, aren't you? Mango's always the star, isn't he? Yeah. What is it, Mango? Hey, you been nice to new baby? You been nice, Mango? How adorable is this? Who is it, Mango? Who is it, boy? You gonna say hello? Okay, so let's have a look at all the babies in the bird room. This is the 2, this is from this morning, this is the 2 that have come out of the nest that we've spent time with today. There's the 2 we looked at today out of the 4. You can see all nice healthy babies. It's going to be nice to see them grow up. And these are the babies of a female we call Rainbow. Rainbow normally has some lovely babies, so I'm hoping that these make it and they have some nice colours. And this is the latest round of babies from the pair that give out the lovely bluey green babies. They had a little bit of a break, and we're gonna probably let them have their last babies for a while. I think I skipped a box, but never mind. This is another box of babies, and then we're going to move on and look at what's going on in the aviary. First off, I did have 3 boxes with eggs in for the cockatiels, but I think one of the females that I got from my pet shop, she's a little bit too old and she's abandoned the box. But the other 2 boxes, they're sitting well. This one I kind of scared out of the box, but the eggs were okay. I'm not going to disturb them too much in the next week. And the budgies, 9 of the females have settled, and they've got anywhere from 2 to 6 eggs. Most of the boxes have got 6 eggs. So I shall be checking regular, and I'll be doing updates at least once a week with any babies and chicks that hatch. And as a little bonus update, I will be doing another big update for the mixed aviary and all the zebrafinch chicks, Bengalese chicks, parakeet chicks, probably in the next few days. But the female canary has been sat very tight, and they were mating the other day, so hopefully we should have eggs very soon. So that's great news. So that brings us towards the end of this video. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this look at the eggs and the chicks from the budgies in the bird room and the aviary, and I hope you've enjoyed the look at the older chicks that are either ready to come out or that are out now. So take it easy, look after yourself, and I'll see you next time.